Good morning, everyone. I hope all of you are in good health. Today, we are going to continue our lesson on Unit 2, Let's Play. Before we begin, let's do a quick revision on our previous lesson. Last week, we have learned different kinds of toys. Let's name them together. Kite, doll, monster, plane, computer game, train, car, ball, and bike. In today's lesson, you might find several new toys, so please pay attention. Today, we are going to learn 8 words that we can use to describe objects. These words are adjectives. Adjectives. Now, imagine yourself being in a toy shop to buy a new car. There are so many choices on the shelf and you have to choose one. So, when your dad asks you, which one do you want? You might point at one and say, I want the big one. Or maybe, I'd like the small one. Now, imagine yourself being in your class. When your teacher asks you for your help to get a ruler from the desk, and you find there are 2 rulers. But then you remember that your teacher has said, get a long ruler. So you know which one to take. So from these 2 situations, big, small, and long just now are adjectives. We use them to describe or tell about an object. Okay? So the first set of adjectives that we are going to learn today is long and short. Long. Repeat after me. Long. Let's spell long together. L-O-N-G. Long. Again. L-O-N-G. Long. Short. Repeat after me. Short. Let's spell short together. S-H-O-R-T. Short. S-H-O-R-T. Short. Long and short are words that show length. Can you see the difference between the 2 rulers? One is long and the other one is short. Look at the pencils. Can you see the difference? Yes, one is long and the other is short. Same goes to these trains. One is long and the other is short. Okay, repeat after me. A long ruler. A short ruler. A long pencil. A short pencil. A long train. A short train. Big and small. Big. Repeat after me. Big. Let's spell big together. B-I-G. Big. Again. B-I-G. G. Big. Small. Repeat after me. Small. Let's spell small together. S M A L L. Small. S M A L L. Small. Big and small are words that show size. Can you see the size difference between these two balls? One is big and the other one is small. Now, look at these cars. Can you see the difference? Yes, one is big and the other one is small. What about this one? There's a big plane and a small plane. Okay, repeat after me. A big ball. A small ball. A big car. A small car. A big plane. A small plane. Beautiful and ugly. Beautiful. Repeat after me. Beautiful. Let's spell beautiful together. B E A U T I F U L. Beautiful. Again. B E A U T I F U L. Beautiful. Ugly. Repeat after me. Ugly. Let's spell ugly together. U G L Y. Ugly. U G L Y. Ugly. Beautiful and ugly are words that tell about look. We can use beautiful on someone or something if we think they are pretty, but be mindful on when to use the word ugly. We can use it on objects or things, but it's not nice to use it on people. Okay? Can you see the difference between the two dolls? One is beautiful and the other one is ugly. Now, look at these monsters. Yes, one is beautiful and the other one is ugly. What about these dresses? One looks beautiful and the other one looks quite ugly, right? Okay, repeat after me. A beautiful doll. An ugly doll. We use an, not a here because the word ugly starts with a sound. Ugly. We use an if the word that follows start with the vowel sounds, just like ugly. Okay? So again, an ugly doll. A beautiful monster. An ugly monster. A beautiful dress. An ugly dress. Okay, the last set of adjectives is new and old. New. Repeat after me. New. Let's spell new together. N-E-W. new. Again, N-E-W, new. Old. Repeat after me. Old. Let's spell old together. O-L-D. Old. O-L-D. Old. If something is just made or bought, we can say it's new. But if it has been kept for years, we can say it's old. Can you see the difference between these two bikes? One is new and the other one is old. These are go-karts. Can you see the difference between the two go-karts? Yes, one is new and the other one is old. What about these bags? Yes, one is new and one is old. Okay, repeat after me. A new bike. An old bike. See, old starts with a vowel sound, O. So we use an instead of a. An old bike, alright? A new go-kart. An old go-kart. A new bag. An old bag. Okay, we have learned 8 new words today. It's time for practice. Practice 1. Point at the correct picture. I will say a sentence, listen and choose the correct picture that matches the description. As you point to the picture, I want you to say this one. Okay? Are you ready? It's a short ruler. Yes, this one. It's a long pencil. Yes, this one. It's a long train. Yes, this one. It's a big ball. Yes, this one. Next, it's a small car. Yes, this one. It's a small plane. Yes, this one. It's an ugly doll. Yes, this one. It's a beautiful monster. Yes, this one. It's an ugly dress. This one. It's a new bike. Yes, this one. It's an old go-kart. This one. It's a new bag. This one. Okay, now it's time for a written exercise. To do this exercise, you need your English one. Fill in the blanks with yes, it is, or no, it isn't. To answer these questions, you need to look at the picture and read the sentence. I'll show you an example. Look at question 1. It's a long train. Look at the picture. Is it a long train? Yes, it is. So, write down yes, it is in the blank here. Same goes to number 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. If the sentences describe the picture correctly, write down yes, it is. If not, write down no, it isn't. Don't forget to write the day and the dates and write these sentences neatly. Be careful with the punctuations too. Capital letters, apostrophes, and full stops must be used correctly. Okay? If your task is complete, you can record your attendance and submit your work through the link provided. Okay? Have fun and see you next week.